Good morning, guys. So this is going to be the intro to my pack with me sort of vlog. So it's Friday. I'll be logging on to work in a little bit. Then hopefully I'll remember to take you guys with me to get my hair done. I'm getting my locks retwisted today. And then the rest of this weekend is going to be all about packing for our trip to Legoland. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned. Hey guys, so I have made it to my loctician's salon. So we're gonna go get all of this done. It is definitely time. I am super excited. I love a fresh retwist, or I love like when it's time to go and get my hair done, because you know it's kind of a way to pamper myself. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get a little bit of footage while I'm inside. If not, I will try to come back after and show you guys. However, whatever hairstyle we decide on. So yeah. So I'm under the dryer, got my locks retwisted. So we will see what the style looks like after I come from under the dryer. Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute. So I think the last time I talked to you, I was like Friday. I went to get my hair done and I was like, oh, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how my hair was. Child, I forgot. I'm terrible at vlogging. So let's see if we can straighten up the camera a little bit. So I'm gonna show you now. I'm not sure if you can like see, but it's in like this it's in like this lock mohawk situation. My loctician did an amazing job. She knows that I am going out of town to Legoland. We are bringing my daughter, or our daughter, to go and enjoy the parks, and she knows it's going to be hot. And so she was like, you need a style where the hair is off your face and also like off your neck. And I think this does a great job of that. It all fits under my sun hat. So this is the hairstyle. And so now I'm going to turn the camera around to show you all packing central because my wax room slash guest room is the room that I always use to turn everything into packing central. And I may see if I can prop y'all up on, so we're gonna see, okay? So stay tuned. Oh look y'all, okay. So I got like a little makeshift stand situation here. Let me see if I can turn you, yep, just a little bit this way. So I'm kind of cut off from the camera, but that's okay. So this is packing central. And what I typically do, so first off, I normally pack several days ahead of time because I normally pack for me, I pack for my daughter. Now when we travel, just because, you know, we travel as a family, it's so much easier to travel and like actually just rent a Airbnb versus a hotel. So there are things I bring for that, like snacks. I bring a couple of like pans to cook in. We board our dogs. Their vet has like a boarding facility, so I have to pack their stuff. So it's always a lot. And so in order for me to make sure I don't forget anything, I kind of lay out things as I think about it. So for the most part, I also am not one who like buys a whole bunch of stuff for trips. I just don't. I try to stick with what's in my closet. But the one thing I knew that I needed and my daughter needed, my husband already has. He has a ton of hats. Like, he is a hat wearer. I think in the 1 or 2 videos you probably seen him in, he's had on a hat. Like, he always wears hats. I met him wearing a hat. He probably would have worn one to our wedding if he could have. So, but we needed hats, like, to actually keep the sun off of us. Legoland is in Florida. Y'all know it's June, so Florida will be blazing hot. It's already blazing hot. So I got this Columbia hat from, I found it at Ross. So let me see if y'all can see. So it fits a little bit snugly, but this is what it looks like on me. Great, right? And then also found one for my daughter. This is hers. It's like this super cute unicorn situation. It's got like a little bag for the ponytail. You can make it smaller if you need to for the head. And most importantly, it has a chin strap, because I don't want like a gust of wind or her having to worry about this on a ride. She can just flip it off and it can just hang out and we don't have to worry about keeping up with it. So we got sun hats. I needed another wallet besides for this trip. I love a keychain wallet, so I got that. And I think that's pretty much it that's like new. But just to talk about the things that I have like laid out here. Oh, maybe I'll just, yeah, I'll just kneel down. That was easier than what I was doing. So we have my swimsuits. And then I mainly have like a lot of my, let me just roll y'all on this way. I mainly have like a lot of my daughter's stuff laid out, right? So we have a dress, like this cute little dress that she will probably wear with some shorts like the day that we travel. I got her PJs laid out. She is potty trained, but since we're gonna be at an Airbnb, we're not taking any chances. So we're gonna, got a couple of pull-ups for nighttime wear. Then I've kind of already laid out like her outfits. I got undies, socks. I have a jacket because I'm always cold. I need to also pack one for her. And then this is the other one thing that I did get. Look at this. I found this at TJ Maxx. This cute Lilo and Stitch backpack purse, which is perfect for like a park because you can carry your stuff and keep it off your back. So we're going to get to packing a little bit, and I guess I will show you all my progress afterwards. I would consider doing like some b-roll of me packing, but I don't know what that's gonna look like, nor do I feel like having to figure out how to edit that. So we'll just come back once I kind of have some of this packed up, and I'll like let you know how it's going. All right, bye. Okay, so I am pretty much done packing my daughter's suitcase except for her toiletry bag. So I got her swimsuits, her clothes, night clothes, socks, undies, like fresh towel. I don't know, maybe I'm the only one, but I always bring a face towel for sure, even though I know they have towels, but like my own face towel. So I brought that in her little loofah. Always also bring a little plastic bag for like maybe any wet or damp clothes or just dirty clothes that we have. So that's all of her stuff. I have most of her outfit laid out for what she's gonna wear the day that we leave. So that is all kind of done. I am probably like 60 to 70% packed. So I have her shoes. I always put her shoes in my suitcase just because her suitcase is a little small. So everything like her shoes can't fit in there. And so I just bring like a larger suitcase and put her shoes in mine. So I have like her slippers that she like will wear around the house. I have her water shoes. I have 2 pairs of sneakers, and then she'll also have like her clear sandals. And I know y'all are like, how many days are you going? Look, I am an overpacker, but I like to be prepared. So we got all of that. We got socks. I have my undies, lounge clothes, couple of extra change of clothes for like if we go to dinner or something. My sun hat's right there. I got perfume. Yes, I bring perfume. I have sunblock because we know we'll need that. My I'm gonna bring this. I'm trying to use this up along with the matching body lotion, and I have a body oil. So I have all of that. So I just need to pack our toiletry bags and like our travel in the car bag. So hopefully by tomorrow I'll be like 90% packed, but I think that's all that I'm gonna do for today because I'm tired. I need to take a shower and I really just want to get in the bed and relax. But yeah, so we'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you guys like what else I've gotten done. Okay guys, so I am finally packed. Ooh, y'all, it is Tuesday. We leave tomorrow, probably midday, and I am so over the packing process. I probably pack more than most do, but I just like to be prepared. And as my husband says, I pack everything but the kitchen sink, and I probably do. But I have my daughter's outfit laid out for tomorrow. I'm gonna put her little sandals down here that she'll be wearing, so I have her dress and her shorts. I got all of her stuff: sun hat, swimsuit, clothes. Chance, watch out, sweetie. Sorry, my dog. He's in here hanging out looking at everything. So I got all of her stuff: swimsuit, swim cap, toiletry bag. All of that is good to go. So her suitcase is done. I just got to close and zip it up in the morning. Then I know y'all are like, why do you have pots and pans? So because we stay in an Airbnb, normally we like to just go ahead and fix breakfast there versus like going out and getting something. So I just got 2 skillets, my dishwashing detergent, 1 little cooking utensil, some paper plates, paper forks, and then salt and pepper. That should do it for breakfast. And then I have my daughter's backpack for the car. She wanted to bring one of her stuffies, her Scooby-Doo that her Nana gave her, so we have that. Then we have our bag. I have a water cup for her to like use like in the Airbnb. And then this one is what we're actually going to take when we go inside the parks. And then just inside her bag, got a couple of Barbies. This is like a little drawing booklet for her. I have magnetic puzzles. I have her tracing book. I have, where are her cards? Where are they? Hold on. I have, oh, here we go. I have these cards because we're working on her sight words with hers to kind of get her like towards working on reading. And then I also have her tablet that I downloaded a couple things on because it's like a 3 to 4 hour car ride. And y'all know, for those of you all who have dealt with little ones, that's a long time for them. So I got a lot of stuff to keep her entertained. Then I have my bag, which doesn't have a ton in it. I have a book. I am one who likes to read cheesy romance novels when I do have a chance to read, which is not often. So I brought, this is actually 2 books by Nora Roberts. My iPad, my tablet is charging, so it will be in here. I have my medicine. This is actually my like vitamins and supplements, and then also my daughter's multivitamins and her allergy medicine. Do I have? And I think that's it. And then my chargers are going to go in here as well. Then, hopefully I'm not making y'all dizzy. But then we have, hold on. Let me move this over here. Then we have my park bag slash purse that I'm bringing, which, has my keys and wallet. This is like my bag that like I keep like Advil in, a little stick of SPF and lotion, all that kind of stuff. I got my, my sunglasses. I'm pretty sure I have some lip gloss. Yeah, I got some lip gloss and gum, and then my sanitizer. So, second to last thing. This is my suitcase. It has like my daughter's, hold on. Okay. My suitcase, which has like my daughter's shoes and my shoes and swimsuit and stuff. Got my toiletry bag, clothes I'm planning to wear, SPF. I always pack a plastic bag. I think I mentioned that earlier, in case there are any like wet clothes or whatever. And then this right here is my little denim jacket. But I might leave this because I think I have one in the car, but I might bring it. We'll see. And then the last thing I got, y'all, the very last thing, is just a bag of snacks. This is just, sorry y'all for the noise and everything. This is like stuff to munch on. Kid approved snacks. We're gonna probably go to the grocery store and get a couple things, but that is everything. So let me organize this more and then I'll come back and close out the vlog. Okay, so I am tired. Packing always just wears me out. Well, you know what? I worked both days this week. I didn't get a chance to start packing until Sunday because my mom was in town visiting and we had a great time hanging out. She was here for like a week and a half. So we hung out, and then when she left, I felt like I had to clean my house again. I don't know, I'm one of those people, like I clean my house top to bottom before like my mom or any guests come. And then after they leave, I feel like I have to clean it top to bottom again. I always like wash the bedding and everything, so that way like the next time they come, it's already fresh. So I did that, and so I didn't start packing until Sunday. I had church. I don't know. I feel like I'm busy, but not busy. I guess that's the life of a working mom and wife, and that is the season that I am in. But I think everything is packed, so now I can look forward to sleeping in a little bit tomorrow, because the only thing that I have to do is get the doggy stuff together. In order to make sure that they are ready to go to the doggy hotel. So I hope that you all enjoyed this pack with me vlog. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this and you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love if you decide to do so. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.